Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Rio Las Vegas, and this is probably the best room I've had here. Take a look at this corner room shortly, but in this video I wanted to do an update on the status of the hotel. Just a couple of things: the construction, the globalist benefits, just other things like the pools are fully open. So we'll get into that in a little bit more detail after we start off with a room tour here. So we'll take a look at the view a little bit later in the video, but this is the first time I've had a corner room. It's all the way at the end of the hall. And it looks like we got a view of the Strip and part of the city as well. So we'll take a look at that. This is the layout of the room. So we got the TV over here, the seating area. Got your climate control, your heat pump over here. And lots of USB charging, power outlets, USB-A and USB-C. We got a telephone here. This is 1456. The TV. And the TV supports Chromecast. It seems to be getting a little bit better. It was a little bit intermittent when I started my stays here. Again, we got more charging on the lamps and on the alarm clock. Beds are really comfortable. Everything's pretty much new here in this particular tower. And also, happy to report that ever since there was a bit of a Wi-Fi outage for a day, the Wi-Fi has reappeared 10 to 20 times as fast. So I'll put a speed test at the end of the video, but that not only is the Wi-Fi a lot faster, my first couple stays here, the login screen just kept coming back and back and back and back. So it was pretty unreliable, the Wi-Fi, but that has improved. That's another update. So it's a two-door fridge, but what I'm finding is usually only half the fridge is in operation. This one might actually be both. So I don't know what the situation is with that. We've got ice buckets and cups there. I think we've pretty much covered everything in the main room. And then we got the bathroom area over here. And this seems to have a slightly different layout in various rooms. Hair dryers back there. Got some lotion, soap. And a closet. There should be ironing board, some hangers, and a safe on the other side here. There we go, there's a safe. Another sink in here along with the shower. And some pump bottles. Continue on with the video. Had in the breakfast, the gym, the pool area, the casino. Some updates on that. It seems like the jackhammering has pretty much stopped. So this is getting into May now. But a big chunk of the lobby is still blocked off. But we'll take a look at some of the other updates. I'll give you guys an update on just again the Hyatt benefits as we go through the rest of this video. If you have any questions, by all means, drop a comment below. And let's take a look at the breakfast at the Hash House. Some copyrighted music going on in the background. Hopefully this audio goes through here. And let's take a look at the menu. These are all the entrees. The steak and eggs, pretty good. I'll order that. And the drinks are on the other side. And another update, we've started handing out cards for the water bottles on breakfast available. And the steak and eggs has arrived. As a Hyatt Globalist, you get breakfast for 2 adults and 2 children, which includes 1 entree, and orange juice, and a coffee. just a view of the breakfast area. There's a whole nother section on the other side. Yeah, let's take an updated look at the pools. Fitness center here. All different weights options. We got a scale and a bunch of cardio machines, Life Fitness, TV up there. And let's take a quick look at the daytime view from the room. There's the one side. And if we go over to the other side, this is the view side. And if we zoom in, oh, it's having a hard time focusing. They need to clean the windows. There you can see a bit of a sphere. And this is the view from the corner room. Unfortunately, the windows could use a bit of a cleaning. It'd be a little bit more clear if they washed the windows. Hopefully that's part of the renovations that they'll get around to. So this is the end view. And then let's go over to the other window here. And I just have all the lights off in the room here, so let's try not to trip over anything. It's like, so this is the other window. And I believe, yeah, this is looking over into the mountains. And you can see part of the other tower. Ooh. And as soon as the daylight comes up, I'll add on a view of the daytime. This is the main entrance of the hotel with the check-in counters to the left, and here's all the construction, although I haven't really heard any noise lately. All the construction is behind those walls there, so there's self-check-in, which doesn't seem to be working, I'm not sure why. And then all the construction in behind here. And then here is the registration check-in desk. And some restaurants further down there. Sports betting, more slot machines. And then if we go to the other side, if you have status with Hyatt, or I guess if you have status with Rio, you can use the VIP check-in, which is just down here, straight ahead. The rooms in the Panera, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but the tower are down there past the Starbucks. And then the other tower is straight ahead down here. See some of the slot machines there. And then this is the VIP registration desk just in there. And I'm not sure about this copyrighted music, but I'll keep talking over it anyway. I haven't actually gone for a walk down here, but the Masquerade Tower is down here. Why don't we just go for a little bit of a walk here. And those elevators, I'm guessing, are probably down here. There's more slot machines. High limit slots are to the left. Masquerade Garage, I guess, connects in here. So if you're staying in the Masquerade Tower, you probably want to park over there, be a little bit closer. And yeah, not too busy over here. This is the first time I've actually walked down here. Always more copyrighted music. It almost looks like a bit of a stage there. Elevators to the Masquerade Tower. And looks like a burger place down here. Smash Burger, not sure if that's open. Upstairs it looks like. All these shops are closed up. And they are... Oh, there's a Beetle. We're actually giving away free pretzels at the pretzel shop, so I spotted it up there. Why don't we take a little bit of this world? I don't know what that's all about. Oh, this looks like a rock shop. Okay, so we go up here. rockandrollchapel.com. More shops. Smash Burger. And a pretzel shop. Wetzel's Pretzels. They couldn't make it any further away. And then where does this go? Does this go outside? I wonder if this wanders out to the parking garage or something. See some people coming in here. Rideshare taxi pickup. This must be the other parking garage. Let's take a look. And yeah, okay, so this is the other parking garage. And then here you can kind of see the strip in a view on a bit of a distance. I haven't walked over to this strip. Some people are reporting it's 15 to 20 minutes, and there might be multiple routes, so you might be able to also go underneath the highway, or maybe you can take the bridge over. I've been just driving over and parking over there. All right, we'll grab my pretzels. A view of the other end of the casino. And another benefit here, so take a quick look at that older Corvette, is with high globalist status, you get free valet parking. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can just pull into the valet section here. And then the valet cars are parked in the garage over here beside the Rio sign. Or if you want to do self-parking, there's 2 garages that you can park at. So there's the, I believe there's a garage on the other side down there. This, I'm pretty sure, is just the valet garage. And then there's a parking lot straight ahead down here. Again, this is the main entrance. You can also get in, there's a door or two down here on the right. And some more copyrighted music, so maybe we'll just go around the side here. This, I believe, is also a Uber taxi pickup area here where you can wait for a ride. Rideshare pickup. And if it's raining, you can actually walk through the casino all along here and all the way down to where the other parking garage is. Here you can see the outside of the hotel. There we go. And so here's the outdoor surface parking lot. If you do park here, just keep an eye on the signs. Make sure you don't park in any taxi zones or delivery zones or handicap or any of the special parking areas. So this here, it's not really well marked, but this is sort of like a taxi zone, so don't park here. But any of these spots are okay. And they call this Carnival Parking Lot A, and I think that's Carnival B. So some of these are marked like food delivery only and that sort of thing, so you probably don't want to park in those overnight. So you can pretty much park any of these other spots here in the middle should be okay. So I don't know if did they finally take the signs down? They used to have some signs for permit parking, but I checked with the staff. Those are pretty much just left over from the previous owners. Yeah, there's still a couple permit parking signs they haven't taken down yet. Over here, so you can park in there, and then if this lot gets full, then you can park all the way. Well, you know what? Maybe I'll get a few more steps in here, take it down to the garage so you can see that. Yeah, here's those permit only signs. There's a couple they haven't taken down yet. So those spots you double check when you come, but those spots you can, at the time of this recording, you can park in these. This is Carnival Lot A. Through the casino, you can actually come out that door if it's raining, or you can come out all the way at the end if you want to park in the Carnival parking garage, which is straight ahead down here. And there you go. So the garage is right there. There's a couple levels in that. And you got the surface lot, and then here's the actual tower. The renovated ones.